Hey everyone, I want to talk about a frustrating issue that some of you might be facing. I faced it myself with your Samsung devices. You might have seen a notification saying that moisture or foreign material has been detected in the charging USB port. Well, I'm here to tell you that this can actually be a bug, especially if it just started without you leaving your phone in any moisture. For me, it started happening right after I updated my software. Fortunately, I had a wireless charger on hand, so I was able to keep using my phone while I looked for solutions. I watched a ton of videos, but most of them were just spreading misinformation and weren't helpful at all. After a lot of research, I finally found a way to clear the error message and get my phone charging again, and I'm confident it will work for you too. First, shut down your Samsung device. Make sure it is not plugged into the charging cable. Next, boot up the phone. Once it gets close to fully booting up and shows the Samsung powered by Android screen, insert the charger. If it doesn't work the first time, you can try it again.